Hello friends, welcome back to Bhurag recipes. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates. In today's video, you are going to see a simple and quick rice recipe, that is coconut rice. In Telugu, we call it as Annam. On special occasions, even you can make it as a Prasadam to God. Here I have taken half cup of fresh coconut pieces and add into a blender jar and make it into a coarse powder without adding any water. Even if you want, you can grate it as well. Now keep this aside. Into the hot pan add 2 to 3 spoons of oil, few mustard seeds, few cumin seeds, few Urad Dal, and also add few Chana Dal, 1 Dry Red Chilli, handful of peanuts and handful of cashew nuts. Now fry it until it is nice and crisp. Now add a string of curry leaves and 3 slit green chillies. Now fry it for a minute. Now add blended coconut mixture. You can adjust the quantity of coconut mixture as per your preference. Now flavor it with 1 teaspoon of salt. Now cook it for a couple of minutes so that there is no raw smell from coconut. Now add 1 large cup of cooked rice. Now give a quick mix and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes so that our rice will absorb all the flavorings. Once it is done, turn off the flame and adjust the salt if required. If you like, you can add a spoon of lemon juice and finally garnish it with some coriander leaves. Now transfer it to a serving plate. Serve this delicious coconut rice while it is hot. Though you are new to cooking, you can simply make this recipe to your loved ones. Do try it and share your recipe pictures with me in Instagram. And also don't forget to leave a comment in comment section. Just grab a plate and finish it. Thanks for watching. And also don't forget to check out my complete day meal plan in description. Do share it with your friends and family.